Hi students. Next one now, types of alkyl halides. How many types of alkyl halides? Generally alkyl halides are classified into three types. These alkyl halides are based on type of carbons. Alkyl halides are based on types of carbon. Generally they are classified into three types, that is first one is primary alkyl halide and second one is secondary alkyl halide and another one is tertiary alkyl halide. First one is primary alkyl halide, it is denoted by 1 degree, and second one is secondary alkyl halide, it is denoted by 2 degree, and third one is tertiary alkyl halide, it is denoted by 3 degree. These are the mainly three types of alkyl halides. Now we are discussing about that first one now, primary alkyl halide. What is primary alkyl halide? This primary alkyl halide is denoted by 1 degree. What is primary alkyl halide? What is primary carbons means what? Primary carbon means what? When carbon bonded with only one other carbon. When carbon bonded with only one other carbon is known as primary carbon. So now here when on a halogen atom, here halogen atom is bonded to a primary carbon. So that's why it is called primary alkyl halide. So once again students, primary alkyl halide means what? Halide means halogen group. Here halide means halogen group. That's alkyl means what? That is methyl, ethyl, propyl, like that. These are the alkyl groups. So now here halogen atom. When halogen atom is bonded to a primary carbon, that is known as primary alkyl halide. Halogen atom. This halogen example, now take the ethyl chloride. Now take the ethyl chloride. This halogen atom attached to a primary carbon. This is the primary carbon. It is called 1 degree carbon. Why? Because of this carbon bonded with only one other carbon. This bonded with linked with only this carbon linked with only one other carbon. So that's why it is called primary carbon. This carbon belongs to primary carbon. So this halogen attached to this carbon. So that's why it is called primary alkyl halide. Primary alkyl halide means what? When a halogen atom is bonded to a primary carbon. This is the primary carbon. Why? Because of this carbon bonded with only one carbon. So that's why it is called primary carbon. This halogen attached to the primary carbon, so that's why it is called primary alkyl halide. And one more example, now take the CH3, CH, then CH3, CH2, Cl. It is 1-chloro-2-methyl propane. This name is called 1-chloro-2-methyl propane. It is also belongs to primary alkyl halide. Example, it is also belongs to primary alkyl halide. Why? Because of this halogen group, this chlorine group attached to the primary carbon. This attached to the primary carbon. This is the primary carbon, 1 degree. This is called primary carbon. Why? Because of this carbon bonded with only one other carbon. This carbon bonded with only left side carbon, so that's why it is called primary carbon. This halogen attached to the primary carbon, that's why it is called primary alkyl halide. This is the examples of primary alkyl halide. And next one, student, next one is the secondary alkyl halide. What is secondary alkyl halide? Secondary alkyl halide is denoted by, it is 2 degree. Secondary alkyl halide is denoted by 2 degree. What is secondary alkyl halide? When a halogen atom is bonded to a secondary carbon atom, that is also known as secondary alkyl halide. Once again, student. So when halogen atom is bonded to a secondary carbon atom, it is known as secondary alkyl halide. Halogen atom means, example, now here take the 2-chloropropane. It is a 2-chloropropane. This chlorine attached to the secondary carbon. This is the secondary carbon. What is secondary carbon? When carbon bonded to two other carbons, that is known as secondary carbon. For example, now take the 2-chloropropane. Here secondary carbon. This carbon attached to the left side carbon and downside carbon. So this carbon attached to two other carbons. So that's why it is called secondary carbon. This halogen attached to the secondary carbon. So that's why it is called secondary halide. So secondary halide. Example is secondary alkyl halide example. This is the secondary alkyl halide example. Now take the another example, CH3, then CH2, then CH, Cl and CH. This is the one more example. Now take the here, what about this one, secondary alkyl halide example? Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now 2-chloro, this name is called 2-chloro-4-methyl pentane. This name is called 2-chloro-4-methyl pentane. The chlorine present on second position, 2-chloro-4-methyl-pentane. This chlorine belongs to secondary alkyl halide. This example belongs to secondary alkyl halide example. So here this chlorine attached to the secondary carbon. This is the secondary carbon. Why? Because of this carbon attached to the two other carbons. One is left side carbon. This carbon attached to the left side carbon and right side carbon. So that's why it is connected with only two other carbons. That's why it is called secondary carbon. This halogen attached to the secondary carbon. So that's why it is called secondary chlorine, secondary chloride. So that is called secondary alkyl halide example. This is the secondary alkyl halide examples, 2-chloro. This chlorine attached to the secondary carbon. That's why it is called secondary alkyl halide example. Now take the another example. Next one, last one, that is a tertiary alkyl halide. What is tertiary alkyl halide? Tertiary alkyl halide, that is denoted by 3 degree. Tertiary alkyl halide is denoted by 3 degree when halogen atom is bonded to a tertiary carbon atom. Students, what is tertiary alkyl halide? When halogen atom is bonded to a tertiary carbon atom, that is known as tertiary alkyl halide. Now here example, now take the tertiary butyl chloride. Now here in this example, this chlorine bond attached to the tertiary carbon. This chlorine attached to the tertiary carbon. What is the tertiary carbon? Tertiary carbon means what? When carbon bonded with three other carbons. This carbon bonded with three other carbons. One is upper side, one is the left side and lower side. This is the tertiary carbon. This chlorine attached to the tertiary carbon. So that's why it is called tertiary chloride. So this is the example of tertiary alkyl halide. And now take the one more example, CH3, CH2, CH3, then CH3, then Cl. This is also example, that is 2-chloro-2-methyl-butane. This example is 2-chloro, numbering we start from here, 1, 2, 3, 4. 2-chloro-2-methyl-butane also belongs to tertiary alkyl halide. This is the tertiary carbon. This is the tertiary carbon. This is the tertiary carbon. Why? Because of this is the tertiary carbon. Why? Because of this carbon linked with three other carbons. One is upper side, one is left side, and one is down side. So this is belongs to tertiary carbon. This halogen bonded with the tertiary carbon. So that's why it is called tertiary chloride. So that is the example of tertiary alkyl halide. Students, if you like my video, please like and share and comment. And one more thing, please subscribe my channel. Please subscribe my channel, student. Thank you.